Alright, my wonderful people, welcome to this channel, Sylves Ndene. If you are new in this channel, I encourage you to kindly subscribe to this channel and then you pay attention to every tutorial videos that is on this channel. So straightly, I want to show you how to make a photo manipulation. There is this photo manipulation that I saw and I replicated that design or that manipulation, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. This very manipulation, this very photo that you are seeing, I'm gonna show you how to make it on Pixellab. So straight away, I want to move to my Pixellab right now. This is my Pixellab. So before then, there is something that I want to show you. If you want to make this done, there's a way you are going to make it. Firstly, how to make this done, you have to snap the person that you want to make use of in this manner. Yes, in this very manner. The person must position him or herself in this manner, and you snap that person as the way you are seeing, and then you snap the face uncovered. You snap the face this way, and when you are done, you remove the background. You remove the background of these images. You remove this background. You also remove the background of this image. After you have finished removing the background of these images that you have snapped, then you move to your Pixellab to get your photo manipulation done. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to go and import it, because I've already removed the background of this very image. I'm going to import it. After you've removed the background, you import the image. It's a very simple photo manipulation in which you can do. So here is it. I've imported this. Let me bring it here, adjust it this way, good. So then I'm going to import the face. Remember, the face. Here you go. So this way, what I'm going to do, I'm going to crop it. You crop to this very region. Yes, after you finish cropping it, then you okay it. Alright, this is what we got. So what I'm gonna do is this. Let me zoom in my page, zoom in so that I can see what I'm doing very clearly. So what you are going to do is, I'm going to my eraser. You go to your eraser, and then if you like to zoom, okay, then I'm going to increase the size of the eraser, and then increase the blurring aspect so that it can blur it when I am cleaning it, so that it will not show as if something of that nature has been done. So I'm going to clean this part, clean it. See, the blurring aspect is going to make it look fit when I am placing it on the palm. So I'm going to leave it this way, and after then I okay it. Alright, so it's time I rotate the face, bring it closely, reduce the size, bring it closely on the palm, zoom it to see what I'm doing. Okay, bring it close, make sure it looks real. Okay, alright. Something I want to do again, make sure the image is well rotated. Okay, alright. How is it? Let me zoom it to see it. Okay, need to bring it honestly. I think it's okay for me this way. I'm going to leave it this way. Yes. Aha. So I would like to change the background of this image. I'll just go to import. Let's just find a background that I can make use of. Okay, we're going to make use of this background. Okay, and I increase the size to fit it. Yes, take it something like this angle, and this way. Alright, I'm okay with this way. Then I'm going to bring my image. I'm going to send this background to the back so that the image can come to the front. Here is what we got. How are you seeing it? And then, do you know what I'm going to do? Match the head and the body together. Good. It's now movable. Good. So this is how you are going to make this. It's a very simple trick. So you replicate yours and see how far you can make this photo manipulation. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also leave a comment to show or to let me know how far you are finding this interesting. Thank you very much.